Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some very delicious and crispy chorizo and potato tacos that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these delicious and crispy tacos, these are the ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, smoked paprika, tortillas, lettuce, Mexican blend cheese, sour cream, peppers, the colors you have at home, 1 tomato, half an onion, garlic cloves, potatoes, of course, the chorizo, and vegetable oil. This is everything we need to prepare these crispy and delicious chorizo con papa tacos. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take off the casing of the chorizo. This is the casing. This we're not going to use. And now I am going to start by adding all the spices into the chorizo. It's the garlic powder, the cumin, the smoked paprika, and salt to taste. Now let's go to the stove. We're gonna just add half a cup of water, and we are going to cook it in medium low heat. While that's cooking, we are going to prepare our peppers. I'm getting all the seeds out, and I'm gonna chop it in little squares, just like that. I'm gonna continue with the rest, and now I am done with the peppers. Continue with the onion and tomato. Of course, everything is diced in mini little squares, even the potato. I am going to go ahead and continue with the potatoes. Remember, the potatoes need to be in small cubes because you want this chunky. And once you have it cut, just add some water. And now let's mix completely the chorizo and pull it apart. Once this is done, you could see that the water has absorbed and the chorizo is already releasing the oil. That's why we add half a cup of water so that you don't add any extra oil or fats into your chorizo. And now I'm adding all the peppers, the onion, the garlic, and we are going to incorporate it. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, we are going to go ahead and add our potatoes. Look at this. We incorporated really good. Cover the potato with the delicious flavor of the chorizo. We're gonna cover it and cook it in medium heat for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you're gonna check your potato. You want the potato to be al dente. That means not too soft so that it doesn't pull apart, it doesn't break that easily. Look at this. Use a fork. And if it stays like that, then this is ready. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna let it rest. I'm going to continue by making this amazing green salsa of tomatillo and abanderó chilies. Of course, garlic, onion, and salt to taste. This really doesn't take too long. This salsa comes out amazing, and it is perfect for tacos, tostadas, you name it. It's not too spicy. When the water is nice and hot, you're gonna add all your ingredients in here. It's gonna start boiling, and when the tomatillos change color, that's when you know that it's time to remove everything from in here. Add the salt to taste, and then just blend away. It's going to be nice and thick. Now I prepared my tortillas. I warmed them up on the microwave for just a couple seconds. They're nice and flexible, and now I am ready to stuff them. Fill them really good with the chorizo and potato mixture. Look at this. I am sure that once you make these tacos, you are going to continue enjoying them with your beautiful family. On the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. I'm gonna start by rolling them just like that so that the filling doesn't come out. Make sure that your oil is nice and hot. You're only going to flip them twice. So that's why I didn't put any toothpicks on the tacos. Only flip them twice so the filling doesn't come out. Have a little plate with some paper napkins to absorb the excessive oil of your tacos. And now I am ready to flip them and show you how they're gonna look. Like I say, the trick here is that your vegetable oil needs to be nice and hot. Once this is done, we're gonna take them out. And now I am ready to add the lettuce, the cheese, sour cream, and the salsa into these amazing crispy tacos. Be very generous with your lettuce and your cheese. And of course, you decide how much sour cream and green salsa you add to it. Look at this. They're nice and chunky, really crispy, and I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is already watering, and I was very generous with the filling. Look at this. These tacos look amazing. My home really smells delicious. This is a perfect recipe for summer. It's so hot that you want to do something delicious, quick, and is easy. Well, now I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing crispy chorizo and papa tacos. Of course, I added this amazing tomatillo and chile habanero salsa. It comes out delicious. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Everything in here is really chunky. The tomatillo salsa, it has a little kick, but not too spicy where you cannot enjoy your chorizo and papa tacos. My friends, you need to make this crispy taco. Enjoy it with your family. And of course, I am very generous with the cheese, so I know you guys are going to love it. Can't wait for you to taste it. I hope, my friends, you make these amazing crispy taquitos, chorizo con papas at home. Perfect for this hot weather, and I know you guys are going to love it. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.